The police found food supplies in his cabin. The pantry was full. They weren't starving yet. The hunter, Swift Runner, boiled and ate all 6 of his children. Why would a father do such a thing when food was available? Welcome back. Today, we don't just tell a story. Today, we learn to survive. Most people think monsters are killed with bullets. The case of Swift Runner teaches us that to kill a Wendigo, you need much more. In the year 1878, Swift Runner was a respected guide for the Canadian police, a man of the law. But after a winter spent in isolation, his mind broke. Wendigo psychosis convinced him that the only way to survive was to become the predator of his own family. His trial, his defense shocked the judges. He calmly said, "I didn't do this. The spirit made me." He knew the legend. He knew he was possessed. When he was sentenced to death by hanging, he walked to the scaffold, relieved. He believed his death would kill the monster too, but he was wrong. A Wendigo does not die in a noose. A Wendigo does not die from a bullet. If the host body dies without the proper ritual, the spirit simply moves on. So, how do you stop something that is already dead? If you encounter a Wendigo, put that rifle down. Bullets pass through its dead flesh with no effect. According to the shamans, the secret to its immortality lies in its chest. Legend says the creature's heart is made of pure ice. His heart froze the moment the first act of cannibalism was committed. That is the source of evil. As long as the ice remains intact, the monster regenerates endlessly. Here are the 3 steps for exorcism. Step 1. Immobilization. Use silver, though associated with werewolves. Pure silver disrupts black magic and can slow it down. Step 2. Extraction. You must open its chest and physically rip out the heart of ice. Beware, is it so cold it can burn your skin? Step 3. Purification. The heart must be thrown into the fire. You must watch it melt. It is said that as the ice vanishes, you will hear screams of release. In the end, the entire body must be burned to ash, and the ashes scattered to the wind. Only fire can defeat the ice. Now you know how to defend yourself against the monster of the north. But there are places in the world where fire cannot save you. We survived the snow, but the nightmare is just beginning. In the next episode, we leave these lands and go to a place where legends are still alive. We are going to my home. Next time, we open the Transylvania files Next time we hunt Strigoi.